What if your invisible bodyguard could crush Satan's grip tonight? Imagine this. 95% of Catholics drag the same sins to confession, week after week. Lust, anger, pride, they keep winning. But what if I told you a saint who saw demons and angels face to face revealed a weapon that obliterates temptation? Padre Pio didn't just preach it, he lived it, battling Satan in blood-soaked trenches. His secret? Your guardian angel, your personal heavenly warrior, assigned from eternity to demolish the devil. Stick around, because this isn't fluffy devotion, it's battle-tested dynamite from a letter that gives me chills every time. Ready to arm your angel and watch sins crumble? The relentless cycle. Why sins keep winning. You felt it, that exhausting loop of confessing the same failures. I've guided over 200 men through this spiritual grind, and here's the truth. Willpower alone crumbles against Satan's cunning. He knows your weak spots better than you do. But Padre Pio, the stigmatized friar who wrestled demons visibly, uncovered a game changer. In a heartfelt letter to his spiritual daughter Anita, he unleashes pure fire. Dear daughter of Jesus, may your heart always be a temple of the Holy Spirit. May your good guardian angel always watch over you and be your guide on the rough path of life. Every word pulses with urgency. Pio begs us to cherish this beneficent angel who never abandons us, from womb to tomb, even mid-sin. Picture it, an invisible companion, more loyal than any friend, praying ceaselessly for you, offering your pure thoughts to God. Oh, wonderful intimacy! Oh, blessed companionship, Pio writes. He warns against ignoring this sensitive spirit, easily wounded by our offenses. Turn to him in anguish, Pio insists, and feel his power surge. This isn't poet's fancy. Pio saw his guardian angel from childhood and others. Shocked that we can't, he peered into the invisible war raging around every soul. Demons prowl, angels counterstrike. His advice? Forge devotion now. No more solo battles. Your angel fights for you, if you let him. Guardian angels, custom built for your salvation. Catholic tradition, backed by St. Thomas Aquinas, confirms it. Every human gets a dedicated guardian angel, not recycled, not shared. Even the Antichrist has one, though he spits on its graces. Yours? Tailored from eternity, created on day one, ancient as the stars, with intellect sharper than Einstein's. This angel humbled itself to serve you, a puny human. Angels who refused, they became demons. God loads your angel with every grace needed for heaven. No salvation drip comes without their mediation. St. Augustine teaches angels govern all creation, cities, nations, even Mary. Yet most Catholics ignore theirs. No thanks, no prayers, no glance. Jesus warns in Matthew 18:10, "Your angel always beholds the face of my Father. From cradle to grave, he's there, begging to wield heaven's sword." Here's the edge. Prayer hands him that sword. You versus Satan, defeat. But your angel versus Satan, victory. Pio nails it. Never claim you're alone. Confide everything, sufferings, temptations. He's ever present, ever disposed to listen, Pio marvels. Humble yourself, practice virtues, endure dryness in prayer. Pio did amid illness and stigmata. Result? Sanctity. Heaven's massive angel army and you. Scale hits hard. If every human has a guardian angel, heaven teams with them. Church fathers, like those interpreting the Good Shepherd parable, Luke 19:5, leaving 99 secure sheep for the stray one, hint angels dwarf us humans up there. 99 angels per soul? It underscores their might. Demons fear them. Satan trembles. Your angel, face to face with God, taps that power for you. Pio's vision proves it. He saw angels clash with demons, offering insights we blind souls miss. Cultivate this bond and awareness dawns. Sin offends not just God, but your angel's pure gaze. Pio urges, keep him before your mind's eye. Thank him, pray aloud. Suddenly, 85% of sins, impure thoughts, rage flares, wither. You're not alone. Heaven's elite fights beside you. Practical steps. Arm your angel today. Start simple, American style, quick wins for real life. First, morning consecration. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Say it loud, demons hate it. Second, temptation SOS. Lust hits, whisper, angel, fight for me. Hand him the sword of grace. Watch peace flood in. Third, daily check-in. Evening examine, thank him for victories, confess offenses, build intimacy like Pio's. Fourth, rosary relay. Pray it, placing beads in his hands. Demons flee angelic fury. Fifth, never say alone. In battle, declare, angel, crush this with God's might. Pio practiced amid trials, urging patience in distractions. Virtues sanctify, not phenomena. Your angel moves your heart now, stirring curiosity. That's him knocking. Answer. Padre Pio's final plea and your victory. Pio's letter ends weekly. Forgive me if I end here. Pray much that the Lord may desire to free me from this body soon. He died a saint, angels victorious. Yours awaits the same for you. Brothers and sisters, 95% confess repeatedly because they fight blind. Open your eyes to this truth. Your guardian angel stands ready, sword gleaming, to defeat Satan stone cold. Hit subscribe now for weekly spiritual warfare tips from saints like Pio. Turn notifications on, your angel's cheering. Next video drops tomorrow. God bless, fight on.